Hey, it's me, Tarayjah. Hello. So, today we are going to be opening a goodie bag from a good friend of mine who has a business and it is called Desi's Aromas. She is an independent consultant for Scentsy and she sent me a goodie bag. And I want to share it with you all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. And it already smells good. So I cut the top and automatically I smelled all the goodies. All the goodies. We have a sample of the Aloe Vera Ivy. Oh, I think this is what smells so good. Like the first thing that just hits you in the face when you open the package. Definitely. I'm definitely a fan. This right here, I need to purchase a whole bar. Like a whole bar. Yes, I'll drop her link below in the comment section, description section. Yeah, for you all to check out. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. We just got a lid. Wonder who is from. Woo, Desi. Oh, this is cute. It says, save the trees. Try some free Scentsy. And it has a little jammy time. I think that's the name of the scent. Yes, jammy time. And it says, I hope you enjoy your samples. Have a great start to the school year, and I can't wait to help you get some freebies in a few weeks. Ooh. It smells like nighttime. You know what I mean? Like, it smells. I'll show you the package. I don't know how to describe the smell. It smells like after you take a bath and you're like all lotioned up. And you're like, yup, time to go to sleep. This is what it smells like. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't play me. So this is the Go Mango Dish Soap sample. The description says juicy mango and melon garnished with hibiscus and sweet banana flower. And the directions are rip open the bag and add water to wash your favorite cup. I'm not gonna open it now because I'm actually gonna wait to use it. But let's see if we can like kinda smell it. Let's see. Nope, let's just open it. I'll use it right after this video. Let's see. Ooh. Like, can we get this in like a, can we get this scent in like a car decal? You know what I mean? Like, ooh. This smells good. Like, is it possible that I could just like put this in my shoes or something? This smells so good, you guys. Like, I don't know. And she has these cute little packages and they were all sealed, you know, COVID lifestyle and whatnot. And yeah, let's go to the next one. To the next. Everything I'm gonna sniff is in this bag. What is this? This is laundry liquid. And the scent is Luna. You know, Luna.
Directions: laundry liquid is a highly concentrated detergent. For best results, use other Scentsy laundry products.
So clearly I can't open it, but I just want you to show you how cute and amazing the samples are. And each one of these, since she is an independent consultant, she has her name and her email and her social media handles and her phone number and a cute little picture of herself, which she's fabulous. And once I, you know, put all her info at the bottom, you can go check it out and see all of the amazing things that she has available. But yeah, like I swear this bag is never ending, and I'm fine with that. All right, let's see. Yes. You know what? Dear baby Jesus, thank you for Desi. Thank you for hearing my voice when I speak to you. Amen. You guys, so you know this right here that I was just like going crazy about the smell? Y'all, it's a hand cream. And I know if this smells good, this is gonna smell even better. It's gonna be on my hands, okay? Especially during COVID season, when you're washing your hands 20,000 times, and you use hand sanitizer, and this new hand sanitizer or these public hand sanitizers are like pure alcohol, and you're just like, oh my God, my hands smell like alcohol, and you just don't have no smell ladylike sometimes. This is it right here. This is it. Let's keep going. Johnny Appleseed Counter Clean Sample. This multi-purpose spray creates a clear barrier on most sealed surface, repelling dirt and gets stronger with use. Johnny Appleseed. You got home story time. So you remember those field trips in like elementary school? And you used to go pick apples? And they always had to do with the raccoon hat on trying to tell you some kind of story. But the apple cider was so bomb. Listen, y'all can have the pumpkin patches. Y'all can have the strawberry fields. I'm here for the apple seeds, okay? Let me get that cider. Ooh. I mean, of course it's gonna have like the clean smell to it, but it definitely smells like apples. And I like apples. She has on the front some of her favorite scents, which is Silver Bells, Berry Snowy Spruce, Winterberry, Apple Tea. Now that I might want to smell. Slay All Day, hey, Cloudberry, Dreams, and Snow Kissed Cranberry. And it says, as you flip through, find a heart for my recommendations on what I personally use. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about, okay? COVID can't stop nothing, all right? If you know what you're doing and you got yourself together and you present something to a customer that they could do from home and they don't have to bother you, bruh. So if I think that I want to try it too or purchase it too, I can always just hit her up and be like, hey, you know, I see that you have this heart on this particular item in your catalog and I wanted to know more about it before I purchase it. Or even if you want to know like the actual size, because it gives you the sizes. So for example, yes, warmers, home warmers. Yeah, she has some home warmers that she likes with hearts on them. Oh, that aloe vera one is really pretty. And so it tells you how tall it is. But like I said, if I like it too and I really just wanted to know more about it, or if I want an example of how she has it set up in her space, I can just go, oh, well, you know, like, how do you have this set up? Where? Because, you know, educators, you know, we can only do so much in the classroom, so many scents, so many smells. But even at home, I can just be like, oh, so Desi, how do you have this set up? You know, do you have warming in your plants? Or like, what kind of warming do you recommend for a tight office or a small space where you don't have much countertop? I see that they have plugins. Whoa. They have a lot of options. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much, Desiree, for sending me this. And I just like when I get to explore new options and new avenues, especially during these times, especially being an educator. Also, with that being said, I've been interested in like broadening my senses. I've never been a candle person, so I have candles in my home, but I've never been like, ooh, I'm gonna buy a candle, or, you know, ooh, Bath and Body Works is on sale. I've never been that person. So having these different ways and avenues that I could incorporate scent into my day-to-day activity to boost my mood, and things like that, that is such a blessing. But yeah, that is my unpackaging of the package from the lovely Desi aromas that I got. Boom. If you want to know more information, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want me to do more open boxes. I have tons of gifts. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.